A number is divisible by 2 if its units place is either 0 or multiply of 2. In other words, a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place is an even number, that is, the number ends in 0, 2, 4 or 8. Example: 346, 3818, 14626, 100, 1994, 1252. All these number is divisible by 2 because their units place in multiple of 2. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is a multiple of 3. In other words, a number is divisible by 3 if sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. Example: 79,851 is divisible by 3 as the sum of its digits 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 is equal 30 is divisible by 3. Example 2, 54. Sum of all the digits of 54 is equal 5 plus 4 is equal 9, which is divisible by 3. Hence, 54 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and units place is divisible by 4. In other words, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. 88,312 is divisible by 4 because the sum formed by its last two digits 12 is divisible by 4. Example 2, 116. In 116, the last two digits on its extreme right side is 16, which is divisible by 4. Hence, 116 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible 5 if its units place is 0 or 5. In other words, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. 75,325 is divisible by 5 as its last digit is 5. Example 2, 120. In 120, the units place digit is 0. Hence, 120 is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Example: 3888 is divisible by 9 because 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal 27 is divisible by 9. Example 2, 198. Sum of the digits of 198 is equal 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal 18, which is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it has a 0 in its units place. In other words, a number is divisible by 10 if all numbers ends in 0. 80, 210, 790, 9,990, 1,000, 26 lakh 58,970 are divisible by 10 because all numbers end in 0. Second example: 110, 200, 360, 490, 1190, 1510. Here all these number is divisible by 10 because their units place is a 0. Similarly, the numbers 120, 60, 1080, 170, 510, 120 are divisible by 10 because their units place is a 0.